Hi guys, welcome back to Brew and Build. I'm just finishing off a Czech Pils that I've brewed over the last couple of months, and I think we'll run through the recipe now. It's a pretty simple recipe for Czech Pils. It's all Pilsner malt. I'm using best Pilsner malt. For the hops, it's all Saaz, and I've got 4 editions of Saaz going in. There's 3 in the boil and 1 in the whirlpool. Water profile. I'm just using a light mineral balance. It's a yellow balanced profile. And for the yeast, it's maybe a little bit controversial. I'm going to use a Bavarian lager yeast rather than a Bohemian lager yeast. I just like the way the Bavarian lager yeast attenuates a little bit more. If you obviously want to brew a completely genuine Czech Pils, then you're going to need to use a Bohemian lager yeast in it. So I'm going for a Mangrove Jack's Bavarian lager yeast on this. So let's have a look at the brew day then. Well, it's been about a 6-week process. We've got it to drop bright. It's nicely carbonated and it's got a good head on it. I can smell the sours, hops. You can taste the sours, you can taste the breadiness of the Pils. You know what a Czech Pils tastes like, and I gotta say it's a good example of that. There's not much else to say about it. So, thanks for watching. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this, and I'll see you for the next one.